Yeah, well, in today's video, I'm going to be doing something I've been wanting to do for a while, which is unboxing a custom water cooling system. I got this one off Amazon. A link will be in the description below. It's cost me just over £100. It's from liquid.cool and it's a 240 system with a universal mount for Intel and AMD. So let's have a look what you got in the box. So you got the instructions, or whatever you want to call it. Shows you roughly what to expect and how to do it. And it's got a attention thing saying not to over tighten any of the screws, fittings or CPU mounting hardware. That's on the side. Then we got the distilled water that it comes with. There should be enough. I've not seen anywhere that's saying that it wasn't enough that they gave you. And then we got around 2 meters of flexible piping. I believe that's the standard size. I'm not sure what the standard size is, but I've been told it's the standard size for the water cooling cases. Then we have all the fittings. Let's get them out. I'll show you a few. This is probably the most expensive part of the water cooling is the fittings by itself, because you're going to need quite a few of them. So, nicely textured, so you get nice grip on it. So I believe they're compression fittings, where you put the tube on the end, then tighten it down and it squeezes it. So far we got pretty good value for money. So we have multiple mounts. I'll be using the AMD one, but it also comes with mounts for the LGA 1150 series and the LGA 2011 series, as well as a backboard for the Intel, I believe. Yeah, I think that's Intel backboard. You also get some LEDs, Molex LEDs, that I believe you can put it in the block somehow. I'm not going to bother with that, so I'm not too fussed about the LEDs. I just want decent cooling. And you get a little bit of thermal compound. So the thermal compound you get in the bag. Like I said, you get a lot for your money, it seems. Put all that back in there. And then in here is more accessories. So you get 2 more LEDs that you can put in your blocks. You get a jumper cable, so when you're filling up the loop, this is what you use to connect to your power supply to power the pump, so you don't have to power the whole PC. So that way, if any water goes onto your system, it's not going to instant kill it. So here is some mounting stuff for the pump the pump and the reservoir. What is that? Let's have a look. So you get 2 of these. You got you can do it in the middle there. So you put the reservoir there, and if your case allows it, you can screw it through there. If you don't have that many mounting spots for your reservoir, you can use this. It's separating foam, so you can put the reservoir on top of this, and then on the bottom of the, wherever you want it on your case, you can stick it down like that, and it won't vibrate or anything like that, so that's good. You also get mounting screws for that, and Allen keys. No, not Allen keys, sorry, that's, I thought it was Allen keys, but it's not. So the mounting screws are Phillips heads. Yeah, Phillips head screws. So you get 2 of these as well. So you can use them to also mount onto your PC case. And then you get a port. So the top of the reservoir, you can use that to fill the gap, so it won't let in air once you've got it all out. So before we get to the thing, here's a flow meter. So like that. If you saw that, I don't know if you did. So when you put water in there, that'll spin it, but the best way is to do it that way. So water goes in, flows around, and then comes back out the other side. I'm probably not gonna bother with that, because it just takes up extra fittings, which if you're happy to do it, then it's completely up to you, but I'm not too bothered. We also get 3 sets of dyes, green, blue and red. I'll be using the red because it goes with my system, black and red. Here is the CPU block. Sorry about that. So I've got an aluminium bottom, wherever you're from. And got some nice fins in there. So I guess this one goes in, the arrow points down, as you can see, and that one's out, so in and out. I'm shaking all about. Right, so let's get to the pump and res combo. So unfortunately this is a Molex connection, which kind of sucks. They could have upgraded to the other one. Was it not Molex, because Molex is way out of date now. So there's the pump and res. So you put, so one's in from the top, out through the bottom. So as you can see, there's 2 holes in there, so that fitting I showed you will be used to fill this one up, and then it comes out through the bottom. You can have it in any direction, I believe. Probably best is to do it that direction, so that way straight to your CPU block in the top. So it's pretty cool. At least they didn't give you ketchup and mustard cables. That would be annoying. So we also got this, the 240mm radiator. I believe it's copper, but it's not too heavy, so I'm not sure if it is or not. I'll have to double check. So yeah, the only thing I don't like is there is no over tightening protection. So as you can see under there should be a piece of metal. If they were smart enough to put a piece of metal just before the fins, so you don't over tighten it and pierce the pipes, because these are the pipes where the water goes through that are connected to these. So as you can see there, the screw hole just happens to line up with that pipe. So if you overscrew that hole, that screw, when you put it in the case, it could burst the pipe, so you've got to be very careful doing that. It also comes with 2 LED fans, which I'll be swapping out for Corsair fans, because these are better, and I'm not too bothered about the LEDs. At least I can have them later if I decide to change back to LEDs. So they're pretty cool. So yeah, we've got a nice little setup for our first water cooling block. I'm going to use quite a few of it, and I will be back once I start setting up the water cooling in the system. I'll put the pump in, that in with the fans first, so we can get a good estimate of where we want to put the pipes. So yeah, make sure to check out the next video where I'll be starting the pump, the installation of the water cooling. And yeah, thanks for stopping by. Hopefully if you liked the video, hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell button to be alerted when I go live and release more videos. Also, if you want to click the link in the description below, it'll be an affiliate link to Amazon. And even if you purchase this or anything else, 30 days after you click that link, I will get a little kickback to help with the channel. So I can bring you more stuff like this. Maybe upgrade the radiator to a EK water cooling block, better one. They get better cooling, but we don't know yet. We still have to do the test. So yeah, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll be installing the water cooling stuff.